Malika's Tasty Treat Day. Malika was so excited for school today. It was Tasty Treat Day. The table was full of colorful, yummy foods. Hooray! Cheered Malika. Malika saw fluffy brown muffins and crunchy golden snacks. But then she saw something new. It was a big, wobbly pink square. What is that? She wondered. Malika's friend, Kavi, stood beside her. I'm not sure about the pink stuff, Malika whispered to him. But I love muffins, Kavi said, picking up a colorful one. You should try the pink treat, Malika. It looks fun. Their teacher, Ms. Anya, saw Malika looking. That is a sweet jelly cake, she said with a kind smile. It's a special treat. Malika looked at the wobbly, jiggly cake. It shimmered like a pink jewel. Maybe it would be good. Okay, she said softly. I will try a little piece. Ms. Anya put a small piece of the pink jelly cake into a little red bowl just for Malika. Malika took her little spoon and scooped up a tiny bite. She closed her eyes and tasted it. Wiggle, wobble. Wow, it was sweet and delicious. Kavi, you have to try this, Malika giggled. She held her little red bowl out for her friend to have a bite. Kavi took a bite. Yummy, he said. Malika smiled. Sharing new treats with a friend was the best part of Tasty Treat Day.